There is a side of India where the sea meets the soul. Every wave whispers a story, and every shore feels like the beginning of a new journey. Today, let's follow those waves and discover the India that lives by the sea. Hi, buddies, welcome back to my channel. And first of all, happy 80th Independence Day. Today, I want to celebrate freedom in my own little way through creativity, journaling, and the freedom to explore the beautiful diversity of our country. Over the past few days, we have traveled through Rajasthan and the Himalayas, and today we are leaving the mountains behind and following the waves. And I think that's the beautiful thing about traveling across India. The scenery can change completely, but somehow the feeling of belonging never does. One moment we are surrounded by the mountains and chilly winds, and the next we are standing beside the sea listening to the waves. Every place has its own rhythm, its own colors, its own flavor, and its own story waiting to be discovered. And that's exactly what I want this journal to capture. We are heading to Maharashtra, Goa, and Kerala, three beautiful coastal destinations, each with its own colors, culture, flavors, and stories. So today, let's slow down, listen to the waves, and turn another page of our journal of India. Because India isn't just one story, it's thousands of stories living together. So let's start our journey. And finally, this is how our Coastal India page turned out. From the vibrant streets and the flavor of Maharashtra to the beautiful beaches of Goa and the peaceful greenery and backwater of Kerala, we traveled through three completely different sides of coastal India. And honestly, while making this page, I felt like I could almost hear the wave and feel the sea breeze. But our journey through India doesn't stop here. Tomorrow, we are leaving the coastal behind and heading towards the fields of India, Punjab, Haryana, and Delhi. So if you've been enjoying this journey with me, don't forget to like this video, share it with someone who loves traveling, and comment below which coastal place would you love to visit someday. Alright, so I'll see you tomorrow for another chapter of our Journal of India. Till then, keep creating and happy journaling.